Welcome to Weedoo Shop Talk.
The Weedoo TC312 and the T1305 trailer are designed to be launched virtually anywhere, even where boat ramps aren't accessible. That being the case, there are still some instances where launching traditionally just isn't an option. So fortunately, we have the Weedoo Lift Kit, and we're going to give you an example right now of how to install the Weedoo Lift Kit on your TC312. Gunther's going to hop up there, and he's going to hand me the bimini frame because we're going to remove the bimini frame. And also, if you have a 2021 and newer with these new seat assemblies, we're also going to remove the adjustable footrest. So the bimini popped out with a couple of cotter pins, and the footrest has one hitch pin and also a tensioner that you guys are probably familiar with anyway. So reduce the pressure on the bolt, pull your hitch pin out, set those off to the side, and then we'll slide the footrest right off and set it someplace safe. And now we're ready to start installing our lift kit. Now, this lift kit is nylon sling with 4 vertical straps and these stainless steel support anchors, and they all get installed to your deck frame with these stainless steel 1/2-inch bolts. So what we're going to do is get all our hardware ready. Make sure that when you're using these nuts with these nylon inserts, if they didn't already come from the factory with anti-seize on them, you want to go ahead and apply some anti-seize to them, because with anytime you're using these nylon inserts, they can heat up and they'll get stuck on the bolt before they finish fastening. So A, you probably won't be able to fasten it all the way, or B, you'll never be able to take it back off. So we're going to basically run through here, install this, show you how it's done. So I'm going to start applying some of this anti-seize just to the inside of the nut here. You don't need a whole lot, just a little dab. Okay, so Gunther's placed the straps strategically as you're going to use them. So what you're going to do is take your support anchor and put it through the strap, and you're going to want them all facing each other. So this would be the wrong way. You want it, this one would face that way, and the back one will face it as well. Put it through the sling, set it on the deck rail, slide your bolt through the support anchor, through the deck rail, and line it up on the back side. Take your flat washer, put the flat washer over the bolt, take your 1/2-inch nylock nut, insert that on there. We'll go ahead and get all 4 of them set up, then we'll fasten them down. All 4 of our slings are now attached to the support anchors, which are attached to the deck rail, so we can go ahead and take our tools and fasten them down. Gunther, you want to go ahead and do that for us? Now, you don't need to cinch them down too tight. You want it where it's still going to be able to move back and forth a little bit. That's a good example. So it's plenty tight, but still loose enough that it's going to swivel. Now, essentially, there's not a crane in here. We're not going to be hoisting this one inside, but we're giving you an idea of how to route this and where it goes. So it basically, this big D-ring goes right over where the operator's head would be if you were sitting here. This sling attaches at the back, right over the cutter. This one goes in between the primary and secondary booms on the cutter. This one comes right over here, just over the operator's right side where his armrest would be. And this one's right out in front of you. And you would hook it to your crane or whatever is hoisting you up, and away you go.
Thanks for watching this episode of Weedoo Shop Talk.